Hey guys, I'm so excited for today's video because I am filming the intro for my Rolling Project 10 Pan Sample Edition. Now I have been doing sample project pans on my channel for I think since like middle 2016, if I'm not mistaken. And then for the last 4 months of 2017, I was doing a skincare project pan, which I will have linked up here. In those videos, I did actually use hair and body products as well, but I was trying to focus on some full-size products that I wanted to get out to start 2018 with some brand new skincare. But while I was doing that, I accumulated a lot of samples, so I want to get back into it this year. And previously I had been giving myself 2 months to work on the items, and then I would post intro, update, finale. But I decided that this year I just wanted to make this a Rolling Project 10 Pan style. So there were 3 different people that inspired this series. First would be LS and her 365 days of samples, and then Lizzie Loves Life. She also does a 365 days of samples, and she is currently doing a Rolling Project 10 Pan with makeup products. And then I also have my friend Amanda Alexander, who is doing a rolling project called Mini Madness, where she is trying to use up mini makeup products. So the sample project pan was inspired by Lizzie and Elle, but then the rolling tin pan, I've seen Lizzie do it and I loved it. But for some reason, when my friend Amanda did the Mini Madness, it just clicked for me. Minis, samples, and I thought that is a great way to format these videos. They're going to be mostly the same, but I really like this format better for a sample project pan. So I will have all those ladies linked down below. Please check out their videos and subscribe to their channels. So to start out this year, for this first month, I want to try to use up as many foil packet samples as possible because I've accumulated quite a few, and then for the rest of the year, I will focus on deluxe size samples, and then I will add in foils whenever I get them to try to not accumulate so much of them. So for the products, I actually have a lot more than 10. I've got 10 different categories, and then for some of the categories, I have 2 or 3 different foil packets because I want it to last me for most of this month. This counts for number 1 and 2. I have a shampoo and a conditioner, and these are the Klorane Color Enhancing Shampoo and Conditioner. There's a good bit in here, so I think this should last me a while. And item number 3 would be a body lotion. This is the Bliss Body Butter Maximum Moisture Cream in a Grapefruit Aloe scent. I actually have the jumbo size of this. I already know I love it, but I just want to get through this sample. Category number 4 would be makeup remover, and for that I have the Fresh Soy Conditioning Eye Makeup Remover. Category number 5 would be face cleanser, and I have 3 different samples for this category, and that would be the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, the Ulta Beauty Radiant Skin Warming Charcoal Cleanser, which sounds really interesting. I like warming products, and then the Ole Henriksen Pure Truth Melting Cleanser, which is a 3-in-1 cleansing gelée, so that texture might be really interesting to work with. Category number 6 is kind of like a random combination of products that I would think I would use as toner, but I probably need to do a little bit more research on these things. If you've tried these 2, let me know how you use them. And that would be the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid and the Belif Hungarian Water Essence. Category number 7 would be serums. I have 3 different samples for this category. The Clinique Sculptwear Lift and Contour Serum for face and neck. Number 7, Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum, and the Ahava Time to Smooth Age Control Brightening and Renewal Serum. Category number 8 would be moisturizers. I have the Clairins Multi-Active Jour, which is for fine lines, and it's an antioxidant day cream. And then I have 2 samples of the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. I've never tried anything from Drunk Elephant. Category number 9 is eye cream, and this is from the same line as the Clairins moisturizer. It is the Multi-Active U Instant Age Reviver that targets fine lines, so just an eye cream. And number 10 would probably be the hardest thing for me to use. It is a mask. This is the Sephora Mud Mask that is purifying and mattifying. So those are the 10 product categories that I'm going to try to be focusing on over the next month, and I will give you my reviews on and my next update, and then add in some new things. I hope you guys will be excited for this project. If you're doing something similar on your channel, let me know so I can check it out. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.